Hello everyone, myself Kagni Vishnu, and today's topic of daily task video is story of Tenali Rams. So let's start the story. So basically the name of story is Tenali Tales Battle of Wits. So this is the very interesting story that we had listened in childhood. So you know that the Vijayanagar, whose king's name is the King Krishna Dev Rai, and Tenali Rams are genius men in this kingdom. So one day what happened? A expert Pandit came to the Vijayanagar and he challenged to the king of Vijayanagar, King Krishna Dev Rai, that he said that I am very expert in scriptures, and he is really expert that he know all languages like Sanskrita, all shloks in Sanskrit, so etc. So king accept their challenge, and when competition start, this Pandit stand in another side, and the king announced that. King collected all the experts that are present in the Vijayanagar. So, but when competition start, everyone is getting lost. Means the Pandit was really expert in scriptures, but someone says, kingdom, let's talk to the Tenali Rams. He will definitely find a solution on him. So King Krishna Dev Rai agreed with him, and he talks to the king talks to the Tenali Rams. So when Tenali Ram comes, he started the competition with Pandit. And he says that you have to find the meaning of my words that I talk. So the other Pandit says, yes, obviously I can find the meaning. So Tenali Ram says that Tila Kaisha Mahisha Bandhana. So this Pandit think about that, but he couldn't find the meaning of this word because he never heard these words. So this Pandit lost the game, and King Krishna Dev Rai asked to the Tenali Rams, what is the meaning of this? So Tenali Ram explained the topic that he said, Maharaj, Tila means the mustard, and Kashta means the stick, and Tila Kashta means the stick of mustard plant, and it is tied up with buffalo, means Mahisha. That's why Tila Kashta Mahisha Bandhana. This is the meaning of this word. So everyone are laughed, and Tenali Rams win this competition. So this is the story of Tenali Rams. So I hope all of you understand this story. So thank you so much.